Hello, today I'm going to make a quick video of unboxing a aFe power Takeda cold air intake system. This is for any Toyota RAV4 between 19 and 25. And this is the code. And I find this box very cool. I got this box for a while now. I'm not sure if it was Victoria Day or Boxing Day, but it's been months. Still didn't open it because we're in winter season here and it's quite cold, honestly. Can't wait for the good temperatures to come back. So I'm actually in the kitchen on the table. It's just too cold in the garage. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, it's better packed than the exhaust I unpacked a while back. All right, I guess these are the instructions. They're actually available in PDF on their website. Cool. I'll put this on the side. This is the filter. It's the 5R. I'm not sure. Let me see the code here. See? It's the blue one. It's not like the dry. I'll put this on the side. What else we have here? We have the plug. Take this out. That's the PCVOs. There are actually some people who, and the aFe, who did nice install videos on it. They're pretty straightforward videos. This is the elbow that goes to the troll body and put all the stuff. Now my setup will be different for so many because I didn't see anyone install this with the grocery getter fast troll body that I have. So basically I won't show you the install, but I'll show you the end result once it gets installed, hopefully in about 2-3 weeks. I have to wait. The weather gets warmer. It's just simply too cold. I'm just going to show you a bit outside here. It's like minus 20 degrees Celsius right now. I don't want to say I'm snowed in, but there's a lot of my driveway, snow banks on each side. And this is the main box that let me see if there's a part number for it. So I guess you could order this separately, but by the way, it cost me not far from 500 bucks Canadian, shipped, tax in and everything. Let's just say I got it at the the Boxing Day or Black Friday, whatever it's called. So I always wait for deals. I got this from T-Dot Performance, and I always wait for the sale. I did the same thing with the exhaust. The Flowmaster I just installed in my truck this week. I got him, I think, at Victoria Day, that one. It's been a while. The Victoria Day is back in May. So I always wait for the sales. So it's a cool box. Your, what do you call it? Where's the, this should be installed. Okay, like this. Yes, because this is the, you have the cold air snorkel that will plug in, the OEM one that will plug in here. So I want to use that, and that plug you saw on the bag, it goes here. If you, I guess in the summer you could plug it, and colder times you could, anyway, it doesn't matter. I don't think it makes a big difference, but you want this to be sealed. Cool. Yeah, all right, well, I'll stop right now. So basically it's a very simple kit. Box, filter, elbow, and the PCVOs. That's it. That's all. Probably with the 10-minute install. So maybe 20 minutes if you take your time and you clean a bit around all that. And I would recommend to unplug the battery if you install this and then replug it. On that note, take care. Cheers.